Hello everyone, hope that's all of you good. Today I'm going to show you how can you import a data from website. Okay, to do that I'm let's see just going to data, and before that I need to check the website from where I'm going to input the data. Okay, for do that I am just clicking here, and I'm just want to import population data of a city. Okay, I'm just writing the population. Okay, population city, and this is the first file, population city.day. I'm just clicking here and going to see is there any data available or not. And here let's see, I'm going to import the data of Bangladesh. For that I'm just know that the Bangladesh is in Asia region. This is the Asia region, and here is the Bangladesh, and it shows the updated. Okay, that means it's had been updated. Now I'm just clicking Bangladesh, and I can use the division wise, district wise, urban wise. Okay, and district and sub district wise, these all data are available here. Here is the census are available. That's the 1991, 2001, 2012, 2022 census. Okay, that means it's almost interval 10 years. Okay, and now if I want to import any data, like that's I can import all data, but I'm thinking that's the district and sub districts is majorly needed for my analysis. I'm just going to here, and this is the district and these are the sub district, right? And for that I'm just going to import. Now I'm just clicking this website, and I'm just copy it. Okay, why I copy it? Because I want to import data from website, right? And for importing the data, let's see, you are in this phase. I will just click on the data and data from web. Just click data from web. It will take me a while, and it says what kinds of data I want to get. It is basic or advanced. You can get advanced part of the also from the web, but I just will just click basic. Okay, and basic is not basic, we will get the full data. And just clicking paste here, and this is the website link, and I am just clicking OK. When I will click OK, it will connect with the website, and it has been connected. It's show the connecting. It may take a while, just wait and see. I'm just waiting. And here the table view, there are many table available here. And which table I want to get, it says this is the district and sub district. Okay, I'm just going to click this one, and it will show a preview. A little bit preview is available here. Yes, I want to get this one, and I can use load from here also, but I want to transform this data because I need a clean data. Okay, for need a clean data, I'm just, let's see, this is the translation. I don't want to get this one. I'm just clicking and remove this column. This is the Bengali name. It's not mandatory for me, but I'm not clicking this data. And let's see, this file is not necessary for me. I'm just removing this, and these all are available here, and this full date also available, but I don't want to get full name. I'm just clicking the population data 1991. Okay, I'm just remove this, and I'm just clicking that the population in 1991. Okay, and I'm just copy this because I will use same things in next also. Just this is the one. Okay, I'm just clicking B, and this is the 2001. Okay, and I'm just copy this because I will use here by changing only one name. and Control V and Control 1. Okay, and this is it. I'm just clicking this in. Okay, I get all things, and here are the available district and sub districts, and this all. And right now this is also applied step, which things I have applied. You can see from here, and you can also get all things from here. And if you think it has been prepared for you, just click on close and load. Okay, and if you close and load, click close and load, just you can get two things, or you can directly click here, and I am just click close and load, and it's loading. It's that the external data is loading, right? And yes, the data has been loaded, and it shows the enhance your query table with the colorful style. Yes, I got it. I will change it later, but this was the main things. That's how can I import whole data sheet here, available here. Okay, now I can, if I want to get the district data separately and sub district separately, now I just click pivot table or slicer, and I will use it later because this is not purpose of this. This video was only for that, how can I import a data from a website. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.